Good morning to all. Welcome to the online class. Let's start the new chapter. Chapter 9 Geometry. There are different subject areas of mathematics. Despite these different subjects areas, geometry has the most profound impact on our everyday life. Everything that surrounds us have a shape, volume, an area, and various other properties. Geometry has a significant impact on the people around the world. Let's see the example. When we are on the road, we are we see different signboards in different shapes. Stop signboard has a shape of an octagon. Speed of the vehicle indication is circular shape. No parking sign has a circular shape. Have you seen here? Signboard have octagon. Octagon means eight sides. Here is circular shape. You know that speed vehicle indication, speed of the vehicle indication, and no parking sign is also circular shape. In this technologically driven society, geometry is becoming a subject of increasing importance. Geometry is extremely useful for architects, engineers, carpenters, painters, electricians, teachers, and many more to name. The principles of geometry are very useful in the construction of roads, buildings, machinery, to make a part of machinery using the 3D geometry. Let's come to the point line segment and ray. First of all, first topic point. I have already highlighted the important points. A point is a location of a space. It has no shape, no size. It's only a location. It represented by a dot and we label the point with a capital letter. Okay, capital letters are represented a point. Have you seen here? Represented by a dot and write with capital letter. Here I have seen all the examples. So point A, point B, point C and point D all are the points. It has no shape and no size. Next is line. A line is a set of points extending in either directions endlessly. It is a straight. Okay. The arrow at the end of the figure shows that the line extends infinitely far in both the directions. A line has no beginning or no end points. There are two ways we can name the lines using a single lowercase letter such as L, M, or using a capital letter 2 points line LM. Line has no thickness. All geometrical figure consist of point. Here you have seen all geometrical figure consist of point. Okay, a line has no thickness. Okay, here I have told you lines can be written in two forms by using the small letter M single time, or if you use the capital letters, use the point 2 points and then name it. So this is also the line. Okay, line M and line AB. See the different way of naming the line. No beginning and no starting point. These two arrows, have you seen here? These two arrows. These two arrows shows that line can be extended in both directions. Okay. The line is represented by the symbol. Have you seen the symbol? So it is written above the numbers. Two lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. Capital letters used to denote the points on the line. Here you've seen the intersecting lines. A A is a single point. All the line pass through this single point. So what you have seen with the 2 points here, suppose this is 2 points, you have to draw only one line. And if there is a 1 point in this, you have to draw too many lines, infinite lines. Like this, you have to draw too many lines from the single point. Okay. A line segment is a part of a line. It has two endpoints. It has definite beginning and definite end. They are measurable. It is denoted by the symbol have you seen here with figure. It can be measurable, have two endpoints, beginning and ending. Have you seen the figure? Its symbol is like this. You have to write like that. Next, ray. A ray is a portion of a line which starts at a point and goes on in particular direction infinitely. A line is a ray is a line with one end. The point where rays start is the end point. Rays can extend in one direction only. Arrowhead on one side and a point on the other side called the end point. A ray is denoted by have you seen here? Cannot denote is like that. The beginning of the ray starts from the end point. The point P, Q are collinear points. A line can contain unlimited number of rays. Here you have seen a figure of the ray. It shows that ray can be extended in only one direction and it is the ending point. Have you seen here where they start? This is the ending point. Here, this is the ending point. If on the line, all numbers are on the line, all points are on the line, then it is collinear. Okay. Have you seen the sun's rays of light? It originates from the sun and path extends indefinitely is the example of the ray. And the points which are on a line is the collinear points and the points which are not on the line are non-collinear. Here you have seen in the figure. These all points are on the line, so it's a collinear points. And here you have seen there is a one different line outside on the line, so it's non-collinear. Okay, F is non-collinear. Collinear means on a line, all points on the line. Have understood? And you have to use the sign also, sign of the line while you write anything. If you write in a ray form, you have to use the ray. Okay. Let's see the difference between a line segment and ray. A line has no end point. A line segment has two end point. Okay, and a ray has one end point. A line can be extend in both directions infinitely. A line segment cannot be extended. A ray can be extended in one direction only, in infinity. It does not. A line does not have a definite length. A line segment has a definite length. A ray does not have the definite length. Have you seen? It is denoted by the symbol, this symbol, and it is denoted by the line segment symbol. It is denoted by ray symbol. So let's see how we have to write. Next, plane. A plane is a flat surface like a piece of paper. It extends in all directions. The collection of an infinite number of points. So we can use arrows to show that the plane can be extended in all direction. Have you seen here the arrows in every direction? So it means we have to extend the plane in every directions. Have understood? Plane has no thickness. A plane can be represented by a single capital letter or three non-collinear points. Have you seen here? These all are the three collinear because they are not in a line. So it's a collinear point. Now come to the exercise 9.1. I have to cover question number 2. So that you have to do. This is figure of what figure? Have you seen here? What the question is? Question number 2. Identify each figure, write line segment, line, point, or ray. Name them properly with symbols. Let's see. This is the ray. Have you seen here? This is the ending point and there is an arrow. So it's a ray. So you have to write the spelling of ray and write its symbol properly. That is how you have to write AB and small arrow, small symbol of the ray. This like this you have to write. Okay, what is this? This is the point, so write the spelling of point. Okay, and here write point R. Okay, here what is this? This is the plane, so write the spelling of the plane, and there is no any symbol of the plane. Okay, so this is the plane and write its name RTS. Have you seen here the numbers? Like this you have to solve. Draw each of the following figure. You have to draw. This is what the symbol is. Line segment. So you have to draw the line segment figure like this and write here S and R and S. Point M. It's very simple. You have to put the dot and write M. Here the figure is what the figure symbol is. Ray. So you have to draw the figure of ray like that and naming it PQ. It means P is the ending point. So P here and then Q. Write properly. Okay. Question number 4. Which figure shows here the symbol is what? You have seen line. So which figure like this? This is the figure. So tick here. It's your answer. Okay, so do these three questions as a homework which I am going to give you. So thank you class.